I woke up in the morning feeling excited. Today, I will go to the local farmer's market. I put on my light pink t shirt and blue jeans. I grabbed my reusable bag and my wallet. Do you know what a reusable bag is? It is a bag you can use many times to carry your shopping. The sun was shining and the air smelled fresh. I walked to the market and saw many people smiling and chatting. By the way, make sure to subscribe if you want to learn English naturally every day. The market was full of colors. There were stalls with fresh fruits, vegetables, flowers, and homemade bread. I smiled and walked slowly between the stalls. Do you know what a stall is? A stall is a small table or space where people sell food or products. I could hear people talking and laughing. The market felt lively and cheerful. First, I went to the fruit stall. I picked red apples, yellow bananas, and juicy oranges. I smelled the strawberries, sweet and fresh. A friendly seller asked me, "Do you want a bag?" I said, "Yes, please," and put the fruits in a small paper bag. Do you know what fresh means? Fresh means new, clean, and ready to eat. Next, I went to the vegetable stall. I chose green lettuce, red tomatoes, and orange carrots. I paid the seller with cash. Do you know what cash is? Cash means money and coins or bills. I walked around and saw flowers, homemade jams, and colorful spices. Some people were tasting bread and cheese. I smiled at a little girl holding a basket of cherries. The market was lively and cheerful. People were talking, laughing, and enjoying their morning. I noticed a man arranging fresh flowers. I said hello and he smiled back. Simple greetings make the day happier. After buying everything I needed, I walked back home. I put the fruits and vegetables in my fridge and washed them carefully. Then I made a fresh fruit salad. Eating healthy food makes me feel happy and strong. Healthy means good for your body. I poured myself a cup of water and sat by the window. The sunlight touched my salad and I felt peaceful. So today I went to the farmer's market. I bought fruits and vegetables, talked to sellers, and enjoyed the colorful market. Now it's your turn. What do you usually buy at the market? Do you like fruits, vegetables, or flowers? Write your answer in the comments and practice your English. See you next time.